Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, or ADEQ, a prominent state body in the United States, works to protect and improve public health and environmental quality. The agency runs a variety of database systems, such as Oracle 19c, SQL Server, MongoDB, etc. These resources were handled internally by several teams. Notably, the cornerstone Oracle E-Business Suite requires constant availability, robust backup measures, and top performance to uphold essential services and support residents effectively. Faced with increasing demands for performance, scalability, and high availability, ADEQ made the smart decision to switch from self-managed AWS EC2 instances to the Tessell DBaaS Platform on AWS. Before opting for Tessell DBaaS, ADEQ managed all its databases on AWS, including its Oracle E-Business Suite, a critical enterprise resource planning application suite, reliant on an Oracle database. Initially, the agency considered AWS RDS as a fully managed DBaaS solution, but found the RDS architecture unsuitable for EBS, prompting the search for better alternatives. A significant challenge for the agency was maintaining resiliency and recoverability, particularly for the Oracle EBS. Managing EBS in a self-managed AWS environment required complex configurations, including deploying separate EC2 instances for the application and database tiers, deploying across multiple availability zones, setting up auto-scaling, Oracle Data Guard replication, AWS Elastic Load Balancing, and AWS CloudWatch monitoring. Due to limited financial resources, ADEQ was unable to implement automated failover mechanisms, leaving them vulnerable to service disruptions in case of instance failures. Without automated failover, disaster recovery for EBS and production databases could take up to 8 hours, despite existing automation scripts. The recovery process was also error-prone and difficult to fully validate during continuity simulations. ADEQ faced significant challenges with its backup processes as well, particularly for large databases like Oracle E-Business Suite. The agency relied on third-party software for daily backups of EBS and other production databases, while downstream environments were backed up less frequently. However, this approach left them vulnerable to data loss, with up to 3 hours of data at risk in a worst-case scenario. Manual processes further strained ADEQ's resources. Creating database copies and cloning production servers was time-consuming and prone to human error, leading to inconsistent system configurations. Patching the customer-facing portal posed another significant hurdle. Maintenance activities required at least 30 minutes of downtime, affecting user experience. As the infrastructure and number of databases grew, manual user management made it challenging to maintain proper access controls, creating inefficiencies and raising security risks within the IT environment. ADEQ's IT environment faced self-management and infrastructure allocation challenges, leading to a reassessment of security protocols. The Chief Information Security Officer focused heavily on ensuring compliance with state audit requirements, particularly concerning data encryption. However, there was still a need for more thorough evaluations of Oracle databases to align with industry standards. Streamlining patch management processes between applications and infrastructure was also identified as a key area for improving security. Tessell offered a thorough answer to the problems facing the organization. Seamless zero-downtime migration. Tessell worked hand-in-hand with ADEQ's team, executing a meticulous migration strategy ensuring minimal downtime. Even with Oracle EBS's restrictions, Tessell leveraged innovative features to use the latest Oracle versions while supporting version 12. With Tessell's high availability deployments across multiple availability zones, ADEQ's databases, both production and UAT, now operate 24/7, with uninterrupted service and maximum resilience. High availability for Oracle E-Business Suite was also implemented. Tessell moved EBS from a shared server infrastructure to a dedicated EC2 instance to maximize performance, guaranteeing dedicated resources and improved system efficiency, while remaining compatible with ADEQ's main monitoring platform. Tessell's intuitive GUI provides centralized monitoring for EBS performance and alert logs, streamlining operational tasks and giving the agency better visibility into system health and performance. Tessell implemented continuous backup for all databases, including those in production and UAT environments, in addition to managing OS and database patching. This approach guarantees zero data loss and rapid recovery in case of downtime. Tessell also implemented point-in-time recovery for any point in time during the last 35 days. Tessell implemented default encryption for data at rest and data in transit, ensured up-to-date patching, and enabled automated data masking using scripting. Tessell implemented industry best practices throughout the migration process and integrated those into the Tessell platform. Significant results came from the migration of the Oracle databases to Tessell DBaaS on AWS. With Tessell, ADEQ achieved 99.99% high availability, minimizing planned downtime. Tessell ensured uninterrupted service and zero data loss by implementing automatic failover to a reserved instance. Continuous backups for EBS and all production and secondary environment Oracle databases ensured zero data loss. Tessell reduced the number of servers needed from 12 to 6 without affecting service. Tessell simplified data management and automated manual operations, freeing DBAs to focus on important projects. Using rolling clustered patching, Tessell lowered the customer portal patching downtime to less than a minute. Tessell enabled one-click patching for infrastructure and applications with automated rollback using pre-patch snapshots. ADEQ also realized significant performance improvements for EBS. The agency now enjoys instant data restoration down to the second without requiring a DBA intervention. As the need for backup software was eliminated, the agency reached its goal of cost efficiency too. The Chief Information Security Officer lauded Tessell's security benefits, anticipating more seamless state audits. Migration to Tessell DBaaS on AWS has transformed ADEQ's Oracle database infrastructure, particularly by strengthening Oracle E-Business Suite and essential databases. ADEQ now has greater agility and confidence to handle changing problems and achieve its goals, thanks to Tessell's solution.